Hey, what's up, guys? So, I took a couple of tickers, spot being one of them. So, I actually took this several times. So let's go back to the first time I took it. I think the first take of spot was a loss. So, took it on the long side. It did pop up. I didn't get out because the stock went up all day. If you look at the 5 minute, I was about to break out here, so I thought I was going to break out and run. It didn't do that. So on the way down, I got stopped out, small loss. And then I thought it was going to break down further, so I switched position, took it on the short side. It dropped, held this level, which, as you can see on the left-hand side here, it held this level quite a bit. Last time around, level 2 looked like it was going to hold this level, so I quickly got out. After that, it popped, and then it kept on running up. Again, I took it on the upside, thinking that it's going to break above high of the day. So high at this point, I think it was like 269 or something like that. Took it on the long side, it dropped. So again, I stopped out because I didn't want this to collapse on me. It didn't. It was holding this level. It didn't really go up anymore. So I took it on the short side, and then it popped on me. But I was watching it and to see like, okay, it's gonna do a triple top and see what happens. It did do that, and then it fell. So I just got out of my position because it looks like it's holding this level and it's basically chopping around here. I didn't want any part of that. So it popped up again. Level 2 didn't really break this, so I'm starting to see a trend here where this line is holding pretty strong. So I took it on the short side here, and then this is when it collapsed. It dropped all the way down to here, held this level, bounced up, came back down, and I was thinking, okay, strong stock, like way up. It may not go all the way down to VWAP, so I just took my profit here, got out. Popped up again. Again, this is the level where it's sort of forming this channel. Took it on the short side again, and then I pretty much got out here at break even. So once it popped up, I didn't want to get back any profit. So I got out like, oh, actually it's slightly below break even, so I just got out. It got pretty close to break even, but either way, it's kind of probably gonna bounce around here. So I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna take it anymore. I don't want to get back any profit. Snap, drop, held this level. And on the 5 minute, you can see there's these wicks. So there's a lot of buying pressure, buy back up. It was holding this level. So I took it on the long side. But I didn't feel good about the stock just because, you know, it had this major collapse. This is just probably shorts covering. So as soon as I saw that it was consolidating around this area, I just got all out. And it seems to be a case. It's just bouncing around here. Maybe it'll go back up now that it's doing almost like a double bottom around here. But anyway, I'm not gonna get back in the fray. And 5 is the one where I lost money. I took 2 pretty much failed reversals. I took it first time here, took it on the long side. It popped up, didn't do anything. On the way down, I protected my profit. So I got out at like, yeah, I don't know, like a couple of dollars profit here. It collapsed, popped back up, dropped, and then I thought, okay, now maybe it'll do a reversal. So I took it on the long side again. Didn't happen, it dropped. I set my stop loss at a bit above the 189. The reason for this is I saw that there's a huge level at 189 exactly, and once that breaks, it might drop. It didn't drop that drastically, but it did drop below that, down to the 80-cent mark. So I got out above that, and then it popped back up, and it's just bouncing around. So I don't want any piece of this. It's hard for me to see. And the reason why I even took on a reversal, it wasn't a blind move. On the daily chart, you see it's sitting on a daily moving average. So usually this provides a good level of support for it to bounce off. It didn't do that this time, probably because the stock was like, you know, analyst downgrade, so it was really short. Maybe that's why. Anyway, so I did took a shot at it a few times. It didn't work out, so I just stopped out. And so that's the key, right? Stopping out, making sure that you're protecting your profit, not having a big loss. I know I sound like a hypocrite sometimes because I do that, and then I don't. Sometimes I don't stop out in time, or I get a little aggressive. But anyway, it's something that I can always work on. Anyone can always work on more on. But anyway, so yeah, so that's it. Had a okay day. I don't know if there's trading tomorrow, but we'll see. Hopefully there is. And we'll go from there. Peace out, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.